Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A car dash cam, short for dashboard camera, is an essential accessory for modern vehicles. These compact cameras are mounted on the dashboard or windshield and are designed to continuously record the view through the vehicle's front and sometimes rear windows. Dash cams have grown in popularity due to their ability to provide crucial evidence in the event of an accident, deter fraudulent insurance claims, and even document scenic drives or memorable road trips. With advanced features like high-definition recording, night vision, GPS tracking, and parking surveillance, dash cams are more than just cameras. They are indispensable tools for enhancing safety, security, and peace of mind on the road. Number 5. TiESFONG A7 Car Dash Cam. The TiESFONG A7 Car Dash Cam is a robust and feature-packed car DVR designed to provide comprehensive video recording and surveillance for your vehicle. With its sleek design and cutting-edge capabilities, it caters to drivers seeking reliable performance and modern functionality. The TiESFONG A7 Car Dash Cam is an excellent choice for drivers looking for a feature-rich and reliable dash cam at a competitive price. Its advanced functionalities, like night vision, GPS logging, and multi-channel recording, make it a standout option. While its small screen and lack of a touch screen may not appeal to everyone, the overall performance and versatility of this device are commendable. Number 4. Aumpon Car Dash Cam. The dash cam sports a sleek, hidden type assembly mode, ensuring it blends seamlessly into your car's interior. The built-in 3:5 IPS display provides crisp visuals with a 4:3 screen ratio, making it easy to review footage on the go. The build quality feels sturdy, and the original packaging includes all necessary components for a hassle-free installation. The Aumpon Car Dash Cam offers a well-rounded package for drivers looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and monitoring capabilities. With a combination of high-quality video recording, advanced features, and a user-friendly design, it stands out as a reliable and cost-effective choice for daily driving or long road trips. Number 3. 70mm A510 Car Dash Cam. The A510 boasts a compact design with dimensions of 83 x 60.5 x 37.9 mm and weighs just 0.4 kg, making it easy to install without obstructing your view. Its sleek black finish complements most car interiors. The built-in 2-inch IPS display is crisp and ensures a clear view of recorded footage, though it is not touch-enabled. The 70mm A510 Car Dash Cam is a feature-packed device that excels in video quality and advanced safety features. It's ideal for drivers who value clear recordings, enhanced night vision, and modern conveniences like GPS tracking and ADAS. While the lack of a touch screen and optional rear camera may deter some, its overall performance and value for money make it a top contender in its category. Number 2. Bluavido Car Dash Cam. The dash cam is designed to be discreet, employing a hidden type assembly mode that keeps it unobtrusive in the car. Despite lacking a built-in screen, its compact design integrates seamlessly into the vehicle's interior. The device's build quality feels solid, with its ability to function in extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius. The Bluavido Car Dash Cam offers an impressive array of features at a competitive price point. Its dual camera setup, advanced safety features, and app integration make it a compelling choice for drivers seeking reliable surveillance and recording capabilities. While the absence of a built-in screen and battery may be drawbacks for some, its performance and durability outweigh these limitations. Number 1. 70mm A810 Car Dash Cam. The 70mm A810 Car Dash Cam is a highly functional and advanced dashboard camera designed to enhance the safety and monitoring capabilities of your vehicle. Packed with a variety of features, it stands out as a reliable companion for both everyday driving and long trips. The 70mm A810 Car Dash Cam is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality dash cam with a range of smart features. From 4K recording and night vision capabilities to built-in GPS and parking monitoring, it provides peace of mind for drivers. Whether you're concerned about safety, capturing evidence, or simply recording your travels, this device offers solid performance at a competitive price point. Thanks for watching this video.